everyone, today I'm going to present one of the culture arts in Montessori, the parts of the bird. Okay, we have here the first part of the bird. We called it the beak.
Beak.
Okay, the beak is colored in yellow. Beak is used in getting food. The next one is the head.
Head.
Okay, this is the head, the upper part of the body, and it separates the rest of the body by a neck. What is this?
Head.
Okay. The next one, we have the body.
Body.
Okay, this is the body, the main part of an animal. The next one, we have the feathers.
Feathers.
Used to cover the bird from water and cold temperatures. This is
Feather.
good. The next one, we have the tail.
Tail.
Okay, this is the tail. Most bird tails end in long feathers called vectices. These feathers are used as a rudder. The next one, we have the legs.
Legs.
Okay, legs are covered in scales, and the toes are equipped with claws more or less long or curved according to the species and its behavior. What is this?
Legs.
Okay. And our last part is the claws.
Claws.
This is our claws. Are used to catch and hold prey in carnivorous mammals such as cats and dogs, but may also be used for such purposes as digging, climbing trees, self-defense, and grooming in those and other species. This is our
Claws.
okay, this is the claws of the birds. And now, can you point the body?
Body.
Okay, good. How about the claws?
Claws.
How about the beak?
Beak.
And how about the head?
Head.
How about the tail?
Tail.
How about the feathers?
Feathers.
And how about the legs?
Legs.
Okay, very good. And now, would you like to work with this material?
Yes, teacher.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.